Let me tell y'all something, man. MGM said they trying to compete with Caesars. They finally showed up. We've been wondering what they was going to do with this competition for these packages they got going on. But MGM might have just dropped the deal of the year. $300 all-inclusive 2-night stay at Excalibur or at Luxor. Now, we're going to go ahead and get into this package because I've been talking to some of y'all about it. They announced it yesterday, or I got wind of it yesterday anyway. But they talked about it yesterday, about all of the details, but I didn't dive fully into it. I just kind of skimmed through it. But we're going to see if it's really worth it or not. And I'm not going to lie to y'all, for some of the preliminary stuff, I think they might have dropped a home run. Now, if y'all remember last year, I think when Vegas did that biggest sale ever, when they was basically offering deals everywhere, Caesars dropped the 2-night stay. It was $300, I think, at Harris, Link, and at Flamingo, and you got food beverage credit for your stay. Well, MGM done dropped the competition to that. That's going to start April the 6th, so I haven't even officially launched yet. So let's go ahead and take a look into it because I think it's going to be worth the while for a lot of y'all who travel. But there are a couple questions I got, so I got everything loaded up now. So let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, let's go ahead and get it started, man. So as y'all see, this is the all-inclusive package. As you see, it's going to be at Luxor at New York, New York. So $330 total for 2 nights. So this is going to include your taxes and resort fees. One upfront price covers your room, meals, show tickets, attraction passes, resort fees, and parking. What? They said they coming on with the business. I like it. Over $400 in savings. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, they might be right about that, but we're gonna do some deep diving through that. I don't know if some people have done it. We're gonna really see the value in this. All right, so just show up at Luxor Excalibur, Vegas gonna do the rest. I like that. It's your travel planner right here. So everything that's included. So you're gonna start off with your 2-night stay, and I'm pretty sure 97% of y'all gonna pick Luxor. 3% of y'all probably gonna pick Excalibur. Those who like Excalibur not that bad people gonna pick Excalibur. And I mean, I guess for all of this stuff and just somewhere to lay your head, yes, they alright. I heard Excalibur they took some of the MGM Grand hand-me-downs, so you know they might be better than they were before. But anyway, so that's where y'all probably gonna stay. Y'all already see the resort fee included. So your meals and drinks, all right. So it says you get breakfast, lunch, and dinner included for 2 for each night of your stay. Now let's start right there. That's what's up. So if you want to get your breakfast, lunch, or dinner, because you know me, I'm not an early bird. I don't normally get up until lunchtime anyway. But the fact they comping breakfast, lunch, and dinner is dope. So you get all 3 meals of the day. And then you get to select from different properties. Now it's going to be select menus. This is the key word right here, because I did do some scrolling to see what the catch was. And it's not really much of a catch. It's right here in your face. But special menus at 10 restaurants. So you can go to the buffet. Now off the top, I think the buffet like $25, $30 at Excalibur. I heard it's like mid. I don't know. I ain't been there. Don't plan to go there. I think Matthew and a couple other people have done like reviews there, so y'all can look them up. But for all you can eat, think about the cruises. Like if y'all been on a cruise, you know they got buffets on the cruise. But anyway, you get a buffet off the top. That's a pretty good deal. Eat as much as you want. Tap Sports Bar at Excalibur, and then at Luxor you got the Pyramid Cafe, Backstage Deli, Public House, and Diablo's. And then New York, New York. Now this is where I want to interject real quick. Let me pull myself full screen for this one, because this is where I want to inject. I had a question about this. All right. Why was New York, New York not one of the hotels that was an option for this package? Like Caesars had Harris, Link, and Flamingo. So why y'all ain't do Luxor, Excalibur, and New York, New York? I didn't understand that at first, but then I got to thinking about it. I was like, I know why. MGM trying to tell y'all they don't view New York, New York as a budget-tier property no more. I tell y'all the hotels are in 3 tiers. You got luxury, affordable, and budget. And MGM is basically saying that Luxor and Excalibur are budget tier hotels. New York, New York has moved up to the affordable tier. And to be perfectly honest with y'all, I can respect that and I can see that as a valid viewpoint. They renovated the rooms. They've got multiple food options. The casino dope, especially that center bar lounge. You got Times Square. So I would actually say respectably, I could put New York, New York in that affordable tier, because it definitely could compete with Park MGM and MGM Grand. So if MGM Grand ain't a budget tier hotel, then New York, New York not gonna be a budget tier hotel no more. And they fall in that affordable bucket. So if some of y'all were thinking like me, that's probably why. All right, so back to our package here. All right, so yeah, you got Tom's Watch Bar, New York, Mandalay Bay, Noodle Shop, and MGM Grand. You can also go to MGM Grand Buffet, which I heard the same thing. It's okay. And then Tap Sports Bar at MGM Grand. Now, Tap Sports Bar is actually pretty solid. I like that. Now, I don't know what the select menu items will be at these places, but I actually do like Tap Sports Bar. I've been to the one at MGM Grand. I rocks with that. And you can get one beer or one wine per meal per guest. So if you do the math on this, if you go for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you can get 3 beers and 3 glasses of wine per day. What? Come on now, talk to me nicely now. When we talking about value, give me a little glass of Chardonnay or maybe a Stella Dos Equis, you know what I mean? 3 glasses of wine or 3 beers per day, a part of the package. Come on now, they talking something with that. I like that. So that's your meals and drinks. Now let's go ahead and here go your actual. Oh, I didn't even look at this until now. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I guess these is the actual menus. So this that's why you're supposed to click stuff. See, learn stuff live. So these is basically your options at each place. But I'm for the time purposes, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Y'all can go and click on each menu. But now I was wondering now. You want to know what you can get? There you go. All right. Bringing the kids, please don't do that. But I know y'all doing it anyway. So there go your kids stuff right there. I ain't about to waste my time. All right. Now let's talk about the shows, okay? Because this is what matters. You get the 2 tickets, okay? So this is dope. You get to come get some food, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You know what I'm saying? All 3 times of the day. You definitely should get you a drinky drink for sure. Definitely some wine. Wine hit harder than beer. Chardonnay. Will definitely get it done. Sauvignon Blanc for some folk, Pinot. I guess it depends what your options are, but get you a little vibe and go catch a show. All right, so you can get 2 tickets. Now this is what I did because I wanted to see the actual value of this. I actually pulled up all of these shows so y'all can get a gist of what these ticket prices typically be going for. But Excalibur, you can see the Australian BGs, Matt King Comedy Magic Show, Thunder from Down Under. I'm pretty sure a number of y'all ladies is familiar with Thunder Down Under. Lord have mercy, with a glass of wine, and then y'all at the Thunder Down Under. Some folk might need to parlay. You know how that parking lot pimping be back in the day, just chilling after the club. Well, parlaying out the Thunder Down Under off a glass of wine might be something to consider too. Luxor, you got Blue Man Group and Carrot Top. Y'all know them classics, man. Crazy that they still around. And then you got Fantasy, the strips, sexiest tease. I hate being teased. This is one reason I don't really like strip clubs. But for y'all, I want y'all to check this out. So this is what your pricing is looking like for each show, right? So if you wanted to see the BGs, it's going for $41 a person. You're talking about $82 per person if you were to just book tickets to this show in the package. So that's pretty good. Matt King going for $50. So you're talking about $100 for 2 people thrown in your package. I would consider that a very good value. Thunder Down Under, I ain't nobody going to see this, but just check this out right here. Here go your value right here. 75, 81, 81. So we're gonna just go on the low end for 75. That's 150 on the low end for 2 people, okay? And this package is $330. So here go half of your package right here just from Thunder Down Under. I'm not going to see Thunder Down Under, but ladies, there go your steal right there. Blue Man Group, 62, 58. You know, I like to go low, go high, so we found 58. So what's that? 116. Yeah, 116 per person. For tickets, if my math is right. My math pretty good. I think that's right. Yeah. Carrot Top, this classic OG. Okay. 65, so that's gonna be 130. We got 65. So you're talking about 130 for 2 people. And then what we got? Fantasy, okay. The sexiest strip tease. I hate being teased, but damn, shawty, what it do though? $45 a person, so times 2, so you're talking about $90. So listen, for $330 you get 2 tickets. Just the shows right here, you knocking at about, we're talking about 90 to 150 just in tickets, and that's thrown in the package. All right, I give y'all a round of applause. All right, MGM, y'all doing something nice with the shows, because I don't think Caesars threw shows in their package deal. So the fact that you get shows is what it is. All right, so now next up we got the big thrill. So you get you breakfast, lunch, and dinner, a beer or wine per meal, and you got your show tickets. You already in plus territory, okay? Now you get a ride on the roller coaster, so you get 1 ride per guest. Okay, so what these guys going for? I actually had to go pull these up because I couldn't remember. But if you want to ride the roller coaster at New York, so 26. So you talking about $52? Okay, that's pretty cool. Throw that 52. You know what I mean? So from 150 to 200 for shows and the attraction. We've already called this a steal. I'm not gonna lie, it's a great deal. Caesars, they might have got y'all. I'm not gonna lie, y'all know Diamond Gang. Shout out to the Diamond Gang. But they might have got y'all with this one, Caesars. I'm not gonna lie. Property wise, Caesars got the better properties, but overall package, all right, MGM, I see y'all, okay? And then everything you need in one place, the digital key, I ain't doing all that. But they got that available, the typical properties, y'all know all that stuff. Now, this is the one part that I wanted to get to right here that I had got into in the video that I wanted to highlight, okay? Y'all can read the full terms and conditions, but this is what y'all just got to check out. It's only valid at select destinations for select menus, but we identified that earlier. They got the menus up here so you can even see what you want. But it don't matter what's on the menu. The fact that it's included, just deal with it. Like, it made me think about a cruise for real. Beggars can't be choosers. Take what they give you, okay? But the fact that it's included in your package, all y'all got to do is just charge it to the room. So if folks is wondering how this works, you just simply charge it to your room and you are good to go, okay? MGM, got to give y'all a W, man. Good job, MGM, man. Real talk. God, I always be doing this, bro. When Caesars had dropped their package, I was like, MGM gonna have to do something, man, because Caesars trying to take the business. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I think they playing chess, because y'all know us already talk about Caesars potentially being bought out, and then they gonna come through with this starting on April the 6th. So for all y'all MGM folks, or just people in general, if you think about going to Vegas and you trying to take advantage of this package, here you go right here, man. Luxor or Excalibur. I know most of y'all gonna pick Luxor anyway, but even if you do stay at Excalibur, remember, it's just a room. Who cares where you stay anyway? You just need to drop your stuff off, have somewhere to go to sleep and take a shower, just watch the bed bugs. I'm just kidding. But y'all comment below, let me know y'all thoughts, man. Y'all think this the deal of the year? Because I'm not gonna lie to you, man, this might be very, very, very worthwhile, okay? For 2 guests, that's a win, man. Drop y'all comments, let me know what y'all think about the details of this package. Y'all think it's a great value? Y'all think $330 for what you getting, you could have got more? You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lie to y'all. If you comment and say you don't think this worth the money and that you should have got more for $330, you might be a cancer. I'm not gonna lie to you. You might be a problem, because we done already broke the stuff down, and people already arguing about parking, and the fact that they throwing in parking too, that's a W too. I'm not gonna lie, I like that too. Comment, share y'all feedback, man. That's gonna do it for this video. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll holler at y'all in the next video.